also in my life, the denims that I wear and I give. So, and I'm totally a denims person. If you've seen me getting spotted in places, I'm actually someone who loves wearing comfortable, casual yet chic clothes. So I am totally a denim on denim, denim with like t-shirts, layering it up, jackets, denim skirts. I personally love denim, and I think it's a great brand. It's comfort plus style plus it's chic in its way, and yet it's young, yet it's trendy. So I like the whole aesthetics of the brand, and like we say, it's very pepe.
Kriti, so what is your current fashion trend? One. Second part, how do you dress for events like these?
Like you see, I like being comfortable, but it's always nice to put things together. You can also you can style the same thing in different ways.
Yeah.
So I am also a fan of layering. I like that this waistcoat has this nice shirt inside, which has some details on the sleeves, and pairing it up with another denim that looks of the same wash. So I think denim is something that doesn't go out of trend. The kind of denim changes. Sometimes we've had boyfriend denims, we've had skinnies, which I hope never come back. And we've had एक time था जब ripped होते थे बहुत denims. Now that trend is a little gone.
Yeah.
So I think I like these days as well. I feel denim on denim is my all-time favorite in general, but I like layering a lot. I like putting like a little bit of a t-shirt inside, maybe a sweatshirt as well, where you sneak it out a little bit. Layering shirts over t-shirts. So I personally like that.
How long you have been associated with Pepe Jeans?
It's been what, all less than a year right now. Yeah, 8 months. Yeah.
Thank you. How are
Hello.
you?
Good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. First of all, I'm a big fan. And congratulations on the success of Dopatti.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And so I wanted to ask, what was it like to do a double role?
Oh, these questions I answered very long back now. No, it was very exciting and challenging. Also, something that I had never done, especially in a film which was this intense, which spoke about a subject that was again very close to my heart. It's challenging when, especially in a film like this, there are about 70 to 80% of the scenes with yourself. That becomes tricky. Usually the films that I've seen in the past, at least me here, हम had that बिछड़ जाते हैं फिर end में मिल जाते हैं सबकी अलग अलग लाइफ चल रही होती है यहाँ पे Soumya and Shelly were together like almost the whole of the time throughout the film, and some really intense scenes to do with yourself were tricky, but I think that was what also made it very exciting for me as an actor, because it was something which I was really scared of, and I was like, I don't know how I'm going to be able to pull it off. So I like characters and roles that challenge you, because that's how you grow.
Okay, so regarding this, what character or characters that help you grow as an actor?
I think in your journey, each and every film, at least मेरी कोशिश ये होती है that you are growing through every film, every experience that you have. Otherwise, there is no gain in your journey, So I whether it has been Bareilly Ki Barfi, whether it's been Mimi, whether it's been Teri Baaton, or Dopatti, Crew, I think all of them have somewhere, polished me and made me grow in some way.
मैम तेरी बातों ने ऐसा उलझा दिया उस फिल्म के बाद रैप जीन्स ने कितना सुलझाया उस बात को
हाँ जी?
कितना कंफर्टेबल किया है रैप जीन्स ने तेरी बातों ने उलझा दिया फिल्म
हाँ.
रैप जीन्स ने कितना सुलझा दिया
पेपे जीन्स.
पेपे जीन्स ने
हाँ जी.
कितना सुलझा दिया
आप काफी उलझे हुए हैं ऐसा लग रहा है.
Okay, what sort of message you want to give to the consumer?
To the consumers, I
Yeah.
think message is something you might want to talk about. What is
We were very excited when we saw two of you. We said we have two brand ambassadors when we saw the film. But I think
yeah, अभी एक और आएगी यहाँ पे.
Actually,
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
so I was taken by shock. No, but I think whatever has happened to the business since Kriti has come on board, we've been able to get a new customer on board with the massive fan base that she comes with, and not only in the metros but across the country. So that's a great plus for us. and we took up this challenge to grow women's wear as a business last year. And here's your catalyst to do that, and hopefully we keep pushing in the coming seasons as well. So she's been
You know, I've recently shot for the next collection, honestly
Yeah.
speaking. Every time we do a shoot, I'm like, oh my god, I love this piece, I love this outfit, I love this outfit, and I want to grab everything, but it's gonna
Ma'am,
be
you've
out
gone for the
soon.
winter collection?
We just, no, I mean, now we shot the summer collection.
So we-
Winter to abhi
this is for
ho gaya.
this comes 6 months
Over.
later. So